my channel, and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited about this week. I can't even tell you. Today I'm going to be talking all about a brand new skincare product on the market that might be an amazing supplement for you if you do not jive with hyaluronic acid, can't use it, you're in a climate that you can't use it, and if you don't jive with vitamin C. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, loves, again, you know I love playing with new skincare, new makeup. It just makes me so excited, and this whole week is all about newness. So it starts with a bang and happy Skincare Sunday. I do want to thank today's sponsor, Algenist. They have partnered with me on their brand new serum that launches in Sephora on August 2nd. So I want to thank them so much for partnering with me on this video, and make sure you stay to the end because I have a giveaway for you. I'm like so excited. Can you tell? All right, so I want to talk to you about this serum. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. It is the AA Barrier Serum from Algenist. You know I use their collagen serum. I know I use their lip collagen serum, and I'm obsessed with that. But I was really excited to try this because A, it's supposed to be lightweight. B, we're all trying to kind of cut down on our routines, at least I am. But this has really amazing ingredients in it that I'm kind of excited about to tell you. So, and I'm going to show you how I use it in my routine. So this is going to be like a quick morning AM routine, okay? So first of all, this has a lot of really great added benefits to the actual serum. What this is supposed to do, its main benefit is to protect you from environmental pollution, dust, grime, things like that. I told you if you watched my video in December on trends to come that we would be hearing a lot more about products that have ingredients like antioxidants and things like that, pollution support in the products, and this is no exception. Okay, so I have my little notes here because I did a bunch of research on these ingredients. So I don't know if you know, but Algenist has a patented ingredient called ALGURONIC acid, and it's basically made from naturally sourced and sustainably, so I want you guys to remember that, sustainably produced algae. To help retain moisture, visibly smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and help boost the skin barrier function. And that's kind of like their main ingredient that they have throughout their whole line. And the reason why I love this, A, because it's sustainably sourced, because we're going to get into that going into 2020, is really talking about sustainability, because that's also another factor when we talk about this kind of green category is, are those ingredients being responsibly sourced? And I can tell you that they are for this product. If you guys don't know what algae is an amazing antioxidant. It is very similar type of antioxidant to vitamin C, but it's a lot more gentle on the skin. It also, in my opinion, is the best, one of the best supplements for hyaluronic acid. So many of you guys can't use hyaluronic acid because A, it either bothers your skin, or you don't like the way it's sourced or where it's coming from. You also live in a maybe more drier desert or high altitude climate like I do. I've had to stop using it and be very careful of where it is in my products. And so this is going to be a great, this particular ingredient is going to be a great substitute for those that cannot use hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. In this serum, it also has an ingredient called PHLORETIN or PHLORETIN in it, and this is also the other antioxidant. So it's really antioxidant rich, and we know that antioxidants protect our skin from a lot of UVA and UVB damage, environmental aggressors, things like that. But this antioxidant is sourced from green apples with combined skin protectant and skin tone evening and soothing properties. So I do think this would be good for sensitive skin, and I'll tell you why also in a second. It also has niacinamide in it. We're also taking out that that extra step if you do use a separate niacinamide in your products, which you know is one of the ABCs of skincare, and I find it to be very, very important to have that. There's also another high ingredient in here, which is ergothione. I think I'm saying that right, ergothione. It's a broad spectrum antioxidant from mushrooms that helps neutralize ozone pollution and provides an effective defense against free radicals. So can you kind of see the theme here? This is like an antioxidant, jam-packed, rich serum, okay? You can use this AM or PM. I choose to use it in the morning, and it is vegan. They say clean, sustainably produced formula, no gluten, so fantastic for my people that are gluten intolerant or have celiac. No GMOs, no binders, no waxes, no fillers, no alcohols, no phthalates, no sulfates, no parabens. The list goes on. No synthetic dyes, no fragrance, or mineral oil. You can see why I kind of got very excited about this serum. And again, it is in Sephora. It just launched. It is $85, but you can kind of think of it by taking the place of a couple of your serums that you might use. So this is going to be kind of your one step and done if that's more in line with your routine. I do want to pull your attention though, it has a dimethicone in it. So if you are sensitive to that, as I always say, in all the products that I point out, dimethicone is in this serum, but it's pretty far on the ingredient list, so it'll be a personal choice for you. But let me show you how I use this and show you what it does to the skin. All right, so what I do is obviously I've washed my face. I'm gonna go in with just an essence, pick your favorite. Today I'm gonna be using the COSRX 95 Tone and Balance Essence. We're gonna do a really quick morning routine, okay? Because it is morning where I am right now. My daughter I've just taken to school and I need to do my stuff so I can get on with my day. I love this essence. It goes into the skin beautifully. Look how pretty that is. Okay, then I always will use my Mieux TGF booster. This is the plant-derived growth hormones in it. I do take it just right under those eyes and like this, down my neck. Okay. Now, all it is as simple as that is then you don't have to wait. You go right into your steps. So this is what the product looks like. And you really, I probably put too much, but you really only need a pump of this. Has no real scent to it. It does smell a little earthy because there is no added fragrance in it. So it does have all of those kind of mushroom and green apple extracts and things of that nature. So there is an earthy smell to it, just like the TGF booster from Mieux. All right, and it is great for all skin types, I would say. It does feel very hydrating. So if you are, I wouldn't say like extremely hydrating, and it goes into the skin so quickly. Make sure you treat your hands. It does sink into the skin rather quickly. I will say that. And then all I'm going to do is just give it a few seconds to kind of sink in. I'm going to apply a little bit of eye cream and then moisturizer. But if you are oily, you might just need a really lightweight moisturizer after this, or just go in with your SPF. Because it has all of those amazing kind of nutrient-rich and hydrating products for the skin. Literally, this is it, man. Huh? Okay, now moisturizer. I'm just going to go in with the Gerlinde Naturals Skin Softening Day Moisturizer. And that's as easy as that routine is. I will put sunscreen on in a second, but I always like to let the moisturizer and all this stuff kind of sink in before I go in with SPF. What I usually do will brush my teeth or comb my hair or something like that, or get dressed, and then I'll put SPF on. But that's as simple as it is. I feel good. I have my moisture, I have my ozone protection, I have all of my antioxidants, I have my niacinamide, so I don't feel incomplete that I am missing anything. If you have tried this already, please comment below, let me know what you think. And again, thank you so much to Algenist for partnering with me on this video. And if you stuck with me to the end, I hope you did, there's gonna be one winner, and you are gonna win a serum. They sent me two, and you know I love to spread the love. So when I go on to a second bottle, I'll just buy it myself. But if you have stuck around, make sure you comment below, and it's 18 and above, international, and I will pick the winner, and the date will be in the description box when the winner will be announced. And also too, all of the codes and everything for this will be all in the description box, so you can go do your own research into the ingredients and see if this is a good fit for you. But I feel it feels really lightweight. I'm super excited about it, and I've been enjoying using it over the past couple of weeks. So thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope you hang in this week because we are going to have a blast. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.